Hello, this is Donna, and I am from DC Education. This is all things elementary education. Today's short video is from the Let's Read Step-by-Step Lessons for Success program to help struggling readers. Today's activity is Activity 3, Short Vowel Sound Practice. The learner will find the vowels on the following slide. They will write them down. They will then say each short vowel sound aloud to the learning coach. The learning coach will monitor the learner to ensure completion and accuracy. Here is the slide which your learner will determine the short vowel sounds. We're focusing on sound, not letter name. So when they find the vowels, again, have them write down the vowel sounds in their notebook, saying aloud each vowel sound, like ah, as they write letter A, eh, as they write down the vowel E, so on and so forth. Here they will read each sound aloud. Ah, eh, I, ah, So again, the learner will read aloud each beginning short vowel sound. Now the learning coach will read each word to the learner. The learner will write the beginning short vowel sound for each word. Egg, add, if, odd, uncle. Work together to come up with 5 more words, one for each beginning short vowel sound. Print up the slides, mix them up to practice. Click on each slide out of order to vary the activity. I hope this short video was helpful, and I hope you'll consider watching further videos for Let's Read Step-by-Step Lessons for Success. Thanks for watching. Bye.